Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SMAPI. First, you'll need to download the latest version of SMAPI from its official website. Ensure you're getting the correct file for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, locate the file and prepare for the installation process. This initial step is crucial for ensuring compatibility with your game and any mods you plan to use. After downloading, extract the SMAPI files from the compressed folder. Inside, you'll find an executable file, typically named Install on Windows, BAT, or similar for other systems. Run this file and follow the on-screen prompts. The installer will ask you to locate your Stardew Valley game directory. It's usually found in your Steam or GOG Games folder. Confirm the path to complete the installation. Now that SMAPI is installed, adding mods is simple. Download your desired mods, ensuring they are compatible with SMAPI. Most mods come in a compressed format, so you'll need to extract them. Place the extracted mod folders directly into the Mods folder located within your Stardew Valley game directory. Finally, launch Stardew Valley using the SMAPI executable, not the original game launcher, to enable your mods. If you encounter issues, first check the SMAPI console window or log file for error messages. They often provide clear guidance. Make sure both SMAPI and all your installed mods are updated to their latest versions for optimal compatibility. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Happy modding!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.